What is the difference between the modern approach and the traditional approach of studying rituals? Where do we have this reference? The reference is there in the first paragraph, where it is said that the traditional approach was primarily observational, but the modern researchers go beyond and suggest that rituals may be rational and effective. So we need an answer choice on similar lines. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, focus on ritualistic behavior by well-known individuals. The passage mentions well-known individuals, such as a few sportsmen here and here, but that is in the context of a particular study by these two scholars. It doesn't suggest that, as a principle, the modern approach focuses on well-known individuals. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice B, builds on research in sports psychology. Again, sports psychology is related to the research by these two scholars and not necessarily an attribute of the modern approach. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice C, inclusion of superstitious rituals. Now in this context, where the passage talks about the difference between the modern and traditional approaches, it makes no mention of superstitions. Also, it is more likely that the traditional approach, which was purely observational, is likely to focus on superstitions rather than a modern approach. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice D, expansion of scope to account for reasons and effects. Yes, this is exactly what the passage mentions here, that modern approach goes beyond and accounts for rationalism and effectiveness. So this is a good answer choice. Let's keep it on hold. Answer choice E, it values experiments more than it values observation. Now the passage mentions that observation was a characteristic of the traditional approach, but there is no reference to suggest that the modern approach focuses more on experiments and less on observation. So this answer choice can be eliminated. D is the correct answer.